God, this video is so messy. Look at my hands. Oh no, we forgot to do the colors.
Hey!
And hi friends! Today we're gonna be making our own little soaps. Yay! And then we're gonna see what's in our bags. First, you add 1 bag of rice flour to your bowl. It looks like powder. Flour. Like flour. Oh my god. It took off like almost the whole bowl. Now we have to pour 60 milliliters of soap into each of our bowls. That's 2 cups. Make sure all the soap goes in the flour. Looks kind of jelly. Yeah, it does actually. Like kind of slimy. How about the one on the spoon? There's tons of it on the spoon. Hope I don't splash it all over the table. Yeah. This is like mochi, like it's jelly but floury. It's like a cup of soap. We're gonna net it with my hands. Ooh, it feels so good. If it becomes a little too floury, add some more soap. God, this video is so messy. Look at my hands. Look at my thumb. It feels so nice. Yeah. Oh my god. Mine's already in a ball. Now I gotta roll it some more. Mine's kind of sticky and hard to get in a ball. Oh no, it's impossible. Let me help. Oh my god, your hands are so sticky. Now mine are sticky. There. Finally, we made them into balls. We had to add extra soap because they were too dry and crummy. And then we had to add extra flour because it was too sticky. Oh my gosh. I want the colors yellow and orange. I want the colors pink and purple. I'm making a pizza soap, so I have to make a little ball so it fits in this spot. I also have to make a big triangle to fit into the pizza pot. I have to make a ball so it'll fit in here. Then the rest has to fit into here where the donut is. Which actually already fits. When I roll this dough in my hand to make it like a ball, it kind of cleans them. My god. It's very hard to cut it the same size. I think it's over here, but I'm not sure. That's the best I can do right now. This already looks like a donut, just a white one. Too gentle. Oh no, we forgot to do the colors. No. We have to redo it.
Boo!
Oh, what a mess. Second attempt. I'm so glad we got to the color. Yeah. And very little orange for the pepperoni. Okay. Look at my hand, pink and purple. What? And I add my pepperoni to my pizza. There! Pepperoni pizza. Yum! Just kidding, don't eat this, it's just soap. Just kidding. Bye, friends. See you next time with our new adventures. Bye.